Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video I have this amazing hair growth treatment. Okay, that will help you to boost all your hair. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment, and let's get started to today's video. So we're using carrot and aloe vera. I'll be showing you two ways to use carrots for massive hair growth. So we need a clean jar, okay, and I'll be cutting off my aloe vera. I soaked it, so I'm just going to be cutting the places I don't need, and after that I'll cut it in a little bit of chunks, okay. And this is my jar. Please clean and sterilize your jar before you put anything on your hair. Then I'll put everything in this jar. So I'll be telling you guys the benefits of carrot for hair growth. Here I am grating my carrot because we're going to grate it so that we can get it in little chunks for our hair. So carrot is amazing for your hair growth. Okay, regular consumption can help you to achieve longer hair and thicker hair. Okay, so I've put my carrot and my aloe vera together. I'm going to add water, hot water please. Okay, and this is what we have. So I'm going to be infusing this for 3 hours because they are fresh. Okay, if you are using a dry ingredient, you can infuse for longer. So carrot helps to stop hair loss. Okay, the biotin and vitamin C in carrot juice strengthen the roots of your hair and it boosts hair growth and stop hair loss, and any place you have like thinning of hair, it removed it. Okay, so aloe vera is also amazing for your hair growth as well. It helps to strengthen your hair, it thickens your hair. And I'm just going to be pouring this juice in my spray bottle. So here is the second recipe for us. We are going to be making carrot oil. Okay, a full video in details on how I made this carrot oil will be coming up, so please do well to check that video out as well. So I am going to fry the carrot. Okay, I am frying it in a way whereby I am not going to burn it, I am not going to overcook it. So just fry it in a way whereby you see it's ready. Okay, using these two combination of carrots, okay, using these two ways of making carrot treatment for your hair, it helps to boost your hair growth. So this is the carrot oil we have. I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to use this on my hair. Okay, this is going to nourish your hair, moisturize your hair. Like, these two combination is just perfect for hair growth, hair loss, hair thinning, and the rest. If you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment. So right now I am going to moisturize my hair. I have these twist braids, okay, for a while, so I'm going to use it to moisturize my hair. And after this, I will also use my oil to seal in all the moisture. And also I added leave-in condition of camera. Okay guys, so always use your natural tea, then you add your leave-in condition, then you add your oil, then you add your butter, or you have cream, just to seal in everything. Okay, so this is an amazing treatment, or would I say an amazing DIY for your hair growth. Have you tried carrots and this together? Have you? Let me know in the comment section. Okay guys, so this is my hair. I just want to style it and get my day going. What do you guys think about this recipe? I'll be reading your comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And guys, we are monetized, so please don't skip the ads, and God bless you all. I'll see you guys later. Bye.